everyone, it's Gigi. I hope you're all doing well. I got some happy mail from Tina Bean, who's my BFF. Hi, Tina! And I want to share it with you guys. So she sent me this card. When she made it, I was like, I want it. And she made another one, and then she had shown it, so I thought she didn't send it to me, and she actually sent it to me and made a second one. She tried to trick me. Anyway, so here it is, and it is gorgeous. I love it, Tina Bean. I love it, love it, love it. And she sent me a little note, and it says, Hello, Gigi. Happy Easter, my BFF. I hope you like your Happy Meal. Looking forward to spring and crafting with you spring projects. Love you. Hugs, Tina. And then there's the back of the card. Isn't it beautiful, guys? Oh, my gosh. And it's shiny. It's shimmering. And I love it. I'm going to put it up on my board. I love it so much. Thank you, Tina. And I bought one thing she was destashing, so I want to share that first, and then I'll share all of my Happy Meal. So she was selling this one. It's called Tea Together by Stampin' Up, and I love it. I love all things tea and coffee, so let me read the sentiments. So it says, Our love is one that covers years through life's joys and sometimes tears. A bond that stands the test of time, mother and daughter, hearts intertwined. Love is a warm cup of tea. Happy Mother's Day. So I think I might use this one and create something for my mom for Mother's Day. I love it. And it came with the dies. I'll show you the dies real quick in case you're interested. So this is retired, so if you want it, you would have to go and find it on eBay. And this one was brand spanking new. So I am so excited that I was able to purchase it from Tina Bean. So here's what it looks like. So it cuts everything out. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, I love it. So yeah, it's red rubber, see? Alright, so let's dive in and see what all I got, guys. So first of all, she sent me these envelopes. She usually trashes them or recycles them, and I use them. I started using them for my magnolias, the ones that I was buying that didn't have what do you call it, packaging. So she sent me some more because some of them I didn't have enough for all of them, so she sent me those. So that's awesome. Thank you so much. And then, guys, oh my goodness, so one of the lots she bought had Magnolia Tildas in them. And she sent them to me, guys. Oh, gosh. I was so happy. Oh, my gosh. She is the sweetest human being. Oh, guys. Oh. So here she is. So I'm going to have to look them up and find out their names because they don't say on them. So I'm going to have to try to find them. But here's this one. She's a little, I guess a fairy. She's so cute. And then here's this one with an umbrella. I think that's an umbrella. Or it might just be a purse. Huh. Isn't she cute? And then here's one. She's just sitting. And she has a bow in her hair. And she has these little stockings on. Little long socks. Adorable. And then here's one. She looks like a little fairy, and she's blowing little hearts. Oh, I love her. So cute. And then here's another one with a cute little hat on off to the side, and she's holding a rose. And you could tell she's from Europe, the way she's wearing her hat. Cute. Oh, and I love this one. This one has a name. Sitting Tilda with Butterfly. Isn't she cute? She's got a butterfly on a string. I love her hair. And then I got these flowers here. These roses. And then I got these packages so I can have them sitting on this package. And then the last one, so stinking cute, is this one with an umbrella. And she's holding it, and you can see the rain falling. She's got her little rubber boots on. and her cute little jacket, and then her hair's in braids. So cute. Thank you so much for those. She knows those are my favorite. And then she sent me some transparent sheets, some vellum. She sent me a whole bunch of vellum, and I put them inside of a sheet protector. So thank you for that. So I am good with vellum. And then she sent me this really cute penny black stamp. It's called Perfect. And that little girl is snuggled up with her kitty. And she knows I have 4 kitties, and I love them. So it's perfect together. I love it. I'm going to have to color this up. So stinking cute. Thank you. And then she sent me this die by Cottage Cuts. It says Merry Christmas. Nice. I love it. It looks very, what do you call it? What's the word I'm trying to think of? I don't know. But it's very thin and intricate. That's what I was thinking of. It's very intricate. I love it. Thank you. Okay, let's see. What else do we have in here? So the rest, I think, are woodblock stamps. And they are awesome. Okay, let me pick this. Okay, here's one from Precious Moments. And does it have a name? It's from Stampendous. 1995 Precious Moments. Sending My Love. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh. I think it's brand new. I love her flying the kite. Cute, cute, cute. This next one is the Stamp Pad Company. That's all it says. But it's cute. It has little ornaments hanging. I'm going to go a little faster because there is a lot. There's this one by Penny Black, 1996, called A Gift of Flowers. Isn't she cute? Oh my goodness. Here's this one called Friends Are the Magic of Christmas. And there you go. It's from 1995 PSX. Magic of Christmas. And I love this next one. And it has nothing written on it, and it's brand new. Oh, yes, it does. It's Santa Rosa, 1996 PSX. Isn't that cute? I love the bear snowman. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is adorable. And then I got 2 house mouse. I collect the wooden stamps of house mouse. So one of my favorite flowers, I have 2. Tulips, well 3 actually. Tulips, sunflowers, and poinsettias. And this one I love. It's Stampa Rosa, 1998 Sunflower Smooch. I love it. I've been wanting this one. I hate that somebody wrote on it, but it's okay. It doesn't affect the stamping. But isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh, I love it. I think I'm going to use it this year for my husband for our anniversary. We're going to be celebrating 15 years. And here's the next one. It's by Stampa Rosa called Christmas Cookies. Christmas Cookies Eaters. Isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, that is adorable. And it looks brand new too. So cute. Love it. Okay. And then I got this birdhouse one. Let's see if I can read anything. There's something, but I can't see it. I'll let y'all see and see if y'all can read it. I cannot. Is it upside down? No, it's right. Here you go. It says 19 something. But I'll let y'all try to figure it out. But it looks brand new, and it is so cute. The next one I got, it says, when God closes a door, he always opens a window. And there you go for the information. The next one, a reassuring presence, a light when times are dark, a hand reaching out is what friendship is about. This one's Stampendous, 1997. And that's all it says. Oh, it's called A Light in Dark. So that's that one. This next one, somehow not only at Christmas, but all the long year through, the joy that you give to others is the joy that comes back to you. John Greenleaf Whittier. And this is Santa Rosa, 1999 PSX. This next one is a Stamps Happen. Kimberly A. Ashley Designs. I wish for you a heart. And it looks like this. I wish for you a heart filled with love from me to you. Isn't she cute? Oh my gosh, that is adorable. And then next I got this one, a PSX 1994. Here's the number. It looks brand new too. It's a street light. I love it. I don't have one, so I like that a lot. And then this one is very unique. It's by Stamps Rosa. Um, 1998. Here's the number. And there's the Santa. Isn't that cool? It's like an ornament. I love it. And then I got this sled, and it's PSX 1996. Here's the number. And it's brand new, and it says a flyer on it. Isn't that neat? Okay, we're getting down to the end. So this next one says, keep the spirit of Christmas in your heart and honor it all year long. And this one's a PSX 1996. There it is. This next one is a angel or a fairy, I'm not for sure. Stampendous, 1997, Garden Angel, yes. There's the information. This next one is a Precious Moments. It is Stamp Affair, 1995, Gold Creations. Let's see. I don't see a name. So it says this on one side, this on the other, and it looks like this. I wish I may, I wish I might. Isn't that cute? I absolutely love this one. I want to color it up. Okay, I have a whole bunch of like sentiments. Okay, I have this one, this little border one. It's so cute with that gingerbread. And this one is a PSX 1995. Here's the number. Sending you a great big hug. This one is a Stampendous 1998. Sending a hug. It looks like that. A friend loves at all times. Proverbs 17:17. Friends love. That's what it's called, friends love. Stampendous, 1997. Here you go. And it looks like that. I love the hearts. Merry Christmas. PSX, 1993. There's a little cat face. I absolutely adore this. It's by Inka Dinka Doo. It's right here. Look how cute. Oh, I love it. And then this is a bell. And this one's a 1998 PSX. Right there. Little ones in here. Oh, I love, love, love this one. Love is the magic. Isn't that cute? So it says, love is the magic. And that's all it says. So right here. This one is PSX 1992. I believe in angels. I love it. These are all brand new, guys. This one is a to from. This one's Hampton Art Stamps, 1998. This is a to from. It is Holly to from the Boyd's Collection Limited, Uptown Rubber Stamps. Here's the information. Here's the stamp. Okay, almost done. We're getting down. Ooh, it's a Precious Moments. Okay, this is Stampendous, 1996. I don't know the name. It's on here. First step. Cute. First step. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, and this one says, sometimes prayer is the only gift we can give one another. The Stamp Pad Company, Big Lakes. So here's the information on there. Here's what it looks like. Last two things. So this one's called the Little Classic Rubber Stamp 6-Packs Holiday 1. So look, it has a snowflake, a present, a to and from with a holly, and this one has a little snowman, a little Christmas tree, and a little bell. Isn't that cute? And then this is brand new, and it's from Hero Arts. And you get Merry Christmas, may the season bring you warmth and joy. Happy, happy holidays, Noel. Have a bright and beautiful Christmas season and season's greetings. Isn't that awesome? So thank you so much, Tina Bean. I heart you, girl. Oh, this was so sweet of you. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.